Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to create our own application. So before that, we will discuss about an apps. In Salesforce, an apps is a collection of items that works together to serve a particular function. Apps in Salesforce are designed to provide a comprehensive solution for specific business processes or user needs. They typically include components like tabs, objects, and other elements that user need to complete their work. Here we are going to discuss this whole process and we discuss how to create an app in Salesforce. So for this, we need to move to our developer account first. This is my Salesforce developer account and here we learn to create our own apps. Let's say the stock market. There are various applications that are already present. Once you click on the app launcher and you can see the applications are present here. This is the standard application and you can use any of the application according to your need. But let's say if the customer asks you to create your own application, so what you can do? You have a system administrator role and you can create your own application. So for this, enter the apps in the quick find box and here the apps and under this app we can see two options are present. First one is app manager and the second one is app exchange marketplace. First discuss about the app manager and after that we will discuss about the app exchange marketplace. So we click on the app manager and under this app manager you can see the various apps is there and these application has their own org, like some app is of a lightning experience and the some app has a classic version. So there are various kind of apps. So see here, there are sales app which are both classic version and the lightning version. So we are here actually experienced in the lightning. So lightning is a process where we can see better UI component. Basically, we are experiencing lightning and here we can create our own application. But before we creating our own application, we can see there are total 22 apps that are already created and already present here. And we can say the Salesforce provide us these apps that are already present here under this Lightning Experience App Manager. Total 22 apps are there. So check all the apps before creating the new one and don't create the unnecessary apps that are already present there. Now we discuss about the App Exchange Marketplace. So we click on the App Exchange Marketplace option and it will redirect us to visit the App Exchange website. Visit the App Exchange website to explore apps, components, and other solution, including free pre-built solution from the Salesforce Lab. Don't worry, we will open App Exchange in a new browser tab. So you would not lose your work, which you can do previously. The work will not lose. So for that, go to the App Exchange and it will open in the new tab. Under this App Exchange, we can see there are various applications that are already pre-built into the marketplace. We can just install and we can use that. So we don't need to unnecessarily build ourselves. We can just simply select any of the application and that app automatically install our Salesforce workplace. And then we can use that. In the case, we can use that and then we can work with them. Sometimes we don't need to create the application. So we can reuse those that are already present here. But we want to create our own application. So for this, we go back to our Salesforce Lightning Go and then again go to the app manager and under this app manager we see all the apps are present but we want to create our own app. So for this we click on the new Lightning app or new component app. But here we create the Lightning app, so we click on the new Lightning app and it will redirect us to new Lightning app page. Here we can enter the app details and the branding. Here we create a stock market app. So we give the app name as a stock market, and then it will automatically generate the developer name as a stock market, and you can upload the image here that will set as our stock market logo. Give the primary color here, select the color that will set as a logo color. If you want to change, then you can change it, otherwise leave it as it is. And you can enter the description here if you want, otherwise leave it as it is. This is not a compulsory field. And this is the theme option. Use the app image and color instead of the org custom theme. And here you can see the preview of the logo that will set as a stock market logo. Now we move to the next step, that is the app option. So click on the next button. Now our app options tab comes up, and here we can see the navigation and form factor. Navigation style is set as a standard navigation, and then spotted form factor set as a desktop and phone. The setup and personalization setup experience is set as a setup full set of the setup option, and we cannot change any of this because we want this as it is. And then we want to move to the next step, that is a utility items desktop only. So that's why we hit the next button and we come to our utility item desktop only. And here we can add the utility item that we want to add. And here we enter the chatter feed. And then if you want to add the more utility item, then again select the add utility items. And then we want to enter the chatter publisher. You can also remove this if you do not want to add it. And then we hit the next button to move to our next tab, that is a navigation items. So we hit the next button. Now we want to add the navigation item here. Choose the item to include in the app and arrange the order in which they appear. User can personalize the navigation to add or remove the items, but the user cannot remove or rename the items that you add. Some navigation items are available only for the phone or only for the desktop. These items are dropped from the navigation bar when the app is viewed in a format that the item does not support. So here we can see the navigation items. If you want to add the navigation item, so select the navigation item from the available items, click it and select the add arrow, and it will add it to our selected item. Here we edit the account, then we want to enter the contacts, add it, and then we enter the contracts, add it here in the selected items, and then we want to add email templates, then we add here, and that's it. And we want to move to our next step, that is a user profiles. So we hit the next button, and here we can see we come up to our next step, that is a user profile. Choose the user profile that can access this app. So here we can choose the user profile as a Salesforce administrator, and here we want to select the user profile as a contract manager, and hit the add button, and it will move to the selected profile from the available profiles. And then we added one more user profile, that is a standard user, and added to the selected profile. And we want to add the system administrator also, so we add it to the selected profile from the available profiles. And then we want to finish this, save and finish this, so we hit the save and finish button. Now our app is created, stock market app is created. Now we want to see our app that we are created now. So we go to the app launcher and click on the view all option, and we scroll to the bottom, and here we go, our stock market app is successfully created. If we click on it, our stock market app is open, and here we can see on the navigation bar we add some items, account, contact, contract, email templates, and here we can see the account record page. If we click on the drop down arrow, all the accounts are shown here. In this video, you have seen the steps to create the app in the Salesforce Lightning. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video tutorial. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.